How do I transfer a gift card balance to my PayPal account?
Hello and welcome to this quick and easy guide. Today, we'll be discussing a common question. How do I transfer a gift card balance to my PayPal account? We're going to walk you through this process step by step, making sure you understand how to go about it in a secure and convenient manner.
What do I need before I start?
Before we dive in, you're going to need a few things. 1. A PayPal account. If you don't already have one, it's quick and easy to set up. Just visit the PayPal website and follow the instructions. 2. A gift card. This guide is applicable to most types of gift cards. Make sure the gift card balance is loaded and ready for use. 3. PayPal Cash Card or PayPal Business Debit MasterCard. To add money from gift cards directly to your PayPal account, you'll need one of these cards.
How to transfer a gift card balance to PayPal?
Here's a step-by-step guide on how to transfer your gift card balance to your PayPal account. 1. Log into your PayPal account. Start by logging into your PayPal account from your computer or mobile app. 2. Link your PayPal Cash Card or PayPal Business Debit MasterCard to your account. If you haven't done this already, you'll need to link one of these cards to your PayPal account. 3. Use the PayPal card to purchase with your gift card. Use your gift card to load money onto your PayPal card. You can do this by purchasing something with your gift card and choosing the PayPal card as your payment method. Remember, this method may not work with all types of gift cards. Be sure to check whether your particular gift card supports this type of transaction.
Are there any alternative methods?
If the above method doesn't work for you, you can try selling the gift card for cash and then transferring that cash to your PayPal account. Various online platforms allow you to sell your gift cards, but always ensure you're using a trusted and secure site. Be aware of scams and only trade on reliable platforms. And that's it. We hope this guide was helpful in explaining how to transfer your gift card balance to your PayPal account. While the process may seem a bit tricky at first, with these steps, you should be able to handle it easily. Thank you for joining us, and stay tuned for more helpful tutorials.